Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to crochet a mini Miffy bunny, which can be used as a very cute keychain. Create a magic ring. Crochet 5 single crochets into the ring. Do not join. Continue directly to round 2 with a single crochet. Mark the first single crochet and mark each first single crochet of the following rows. Continue with 1 single crochet in the same stitch, creating an increase. In the next stitch, crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is called an increase, and I'll refer to it as such from now on. Repeat the same for the remaining stitches. 2 single crochets in each stitch. Row 3, we will crochet 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make an increase. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row. Row 4, single crochet, increase. Next, make 1 single crochet. Repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet to the end. From row 5 to row 7, single crochet in each stitch. Row 8, we will crochet all decreases. A decrease means we'll combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through again, you have a decrease. Stuff with a little bit of fiber fill. Continue to row 9. This row will be flow, which means front loop only. First, single crochet. Next, make an increase. In the next stitch, we will make a popcorn stitch with 4 incomplete double crochets. Watch how I crochet it. Create 4 incomplete double crochets, then yarn over and pull through all loops. When you have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all loops. Continue with an increase in the next stitch. Repeat the sequence once more. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 popcorn, 1 increase. For the last 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Row 10, single crochet in each stitch. For row 11, we will start with 4 single crochets. Continue to crochet the popcorn stitch as previously instructed. Repeat the sequence. 4 single crochets, 1 popcorn stitch. For the last stitches, single crochet in each stitch. Row 12, decrease with 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row. At this point, add some more stuffing to make the bunny's body rounder. Row 13, which is the last row, decrease in every stitch. Cut a long piece of yarn to sew the hole closed. Create a magic ring. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Do not join. Continue directly to row 2. In row 2, we will single crochet in each stitch. Row 3, repeat the same. Row 4, we will crochet all decreases. Crocheting a star is also very easy. You just need to create a magic ring. Chain 1, then crochet 10 half double crochets into the magic ring. Join with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet. Row 2, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we will crochet 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet. In one stitch. Next, make 1 single crochet. And in the following stitch, repeat the previous group. 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet. While repeating this, we will get a 5-pointed star. Crochet 2 identical pieces, leaving a long tail on one piece for sewing the 2 stars together. Stuff a little bit of fiber fill into the star. Now, let's decorate the Miffy Bunny. Bear ear pattern, I'll put it on the screen.